Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete Township account. So whether you're looking to start fresh or manage your data privacy, deleting your Township account is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the process. Before you begin, I'd like you to note that once deleted, your account and all associated data cannot be restored. You can cancel the deletion within 15 days by tapping the cancel button in the game. After this period, the deletion is irreversible. Deleting your account also removes your personal data, but you can request data deletion without deleting your account. So how do you access the game settings, which is the first step? Open your Township game and navigate to the settings. Tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of your screen. Click settings and it's going to take you here. So select about the game. This section contains account deletion. The section contains account related options. So within the about the game section, you have delete account. I'm not going to tap on it, but I hope you saw that. Select delete account. This option starts the deletion process. Now confirm the action. You'll be prompted to tap continue in the first pop-up window. Then enter delete. In the second pop-up window, type delete to confirm your decision. Finalize the deletion process by tapping on confirm. Remember, you have a 15-day window to cancel this action by tapping cancel in the game. If you prefer to start over without deleting your account, go to the in-game settings again and select help and support. Now this will open the support section. Navigate to the topics related to game progress. Tap no when asked if the information was helpful. Initiate a conversation with support. Inform the support team that you wish to reset your game progress. The support agent will assist you in resetting your game to level 1. If you encounter issues or need further assistance, just go ahead and open the game. Go to settings, select help and support, tap contact us, and describe the issue or request and submit it. Then a support agent will respond to assist you further. And that's how you can delete or reset your Township account. So you can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.